What is up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Today was a very bad day for me in the market. It's one of those things, you know, you're doing really well for a couple weeks, and then boom, gonna have a bad day. And that's just nature of the business. That's gonna happen, and you just have to keep going and roll with it. You know what I mean? So yeah, trending day today again. Not my strong suit. Can't trade trend days. I feel like every time there's a trend day, I need to like give up and just get off the computer and then come back tomorrow, because I can't trade them. Don't know what it is. Don't know how to fix it. Just don't know. But these are my trades right here. There's a lot of trades. These are my BluSky trades. I am up on the Apex. I'll talk about it in a second. These first three red arrows, they're BluSky trades. Again, trying to short the top. Never a good idea. At least I should have waited for a lower high or something like that. I just went short. I got impatient. The idea was to test the EMA, which we kind of did, but I got stopped out to the tick. So the idea was there. The execution, I think, was good too. It's just the way that market played out. It is what it is. Then I got pretty upset about this. You know, getting stopped out to the tick is pretty disappointing. But well, before I forget, the last day for BluSky 90% off is today, so I'm gonna pick some up. But yeah, back to the trades. Second trade, entered too late, way too late. I mean, why am I entering here? It was a bad trade. And of course, last trade I was aiming for, I think it was this swing low. Never got it, and I got stopped out. So that's that. Those are three trades, and I'm down 775. So don't know what to say. You know, I could have got a point, maybe 2 points on this trade right here, but I didn't want 2 points. I don't want one, or I'm sorry, I didn't want a point or two. I wanted like 3 or more, because I want to make up my losses. And this is just yeah, it's just bad, really bad, really bad. So let me hop over to the Apex and show you my Apex trades real quick. I mean, you can clearly see them here. So these are my Apex trades. Again, just I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. I am up on the Apex. That doesn't mean anything. It was just a bad day overall. Again, once I had these 3 losers, I went short again for some reason. Like, what am I doing? I don't know. So bad. So it's actually a little bit embarrassing, to be honest. I don't even know. But anyways, so I have 4 losers in a row, so most people just call it a day. I kept on trading, and that's the beauty of having different funded accounts, because even though you might be down, you know, 800 bucks or whatever on one account, you can kind of switch over to a different account and, you know, keep on trading it if you wanted to. I don't recommend that, but hey, it is what it is. And then second trade on Apex was this short right here. Not technically by the count, this is a second entry. And then again, I got stopped out to the tick. Yeah, I decided to switch to this account, which is the second one, which is this one right here. Entered again, got a 1.25, I believe. And then I decided to take a break. I decided to take a break, walk my dogs, do everything I need to do, wait for the FOMC, and switch back to the original Apex account, which is this one right here. And I couldn't analyze the price here. It was going too fast, and then slowly I started to kind of like get my shit together a little bit here, because it was still moving fast. I couldn't trade any of this. It was moving really fast up until like maybe like 1:30 ish. That's when it kind of like slowed down a little bit, came back to a normal pace, so to speak. But yeah, switched accounts and entered this basically second entry long failure and the second entry short, and I decided to hold the trade until basically bottom of the range. I had a feeling that we might be in the range here, which we are. You can probably adjust this range a little bit higher, maybe something like this, but I like it like this too, so we'll just leave it like this. And yeah, decided to take a short. Now, one thing about this trade that I really liked is how I managed it. And I need to do these trades more often. This was almost a 7-point trade right here, 6 1/4, so 6 3/4. So pretty much enter the trade. you know, my stop loss goal is 1 tick above the signal bar, price start working down, and I did not want to move my stop loss because I just didn't want to, honestly. Like I wanted to hold on to my target profit, and if I would have moved my stop loss to break even, I would have been stopped out to break even. So decided to move my stop loss actually 1 tick above this green candle, which was around 2.25 risk, which was okay. And I said to myself, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna wait, see what happens. And price broke, basically tried to go higher a little bit, did not go higher, and then went down, broke the view up, and went all the way down to the bottom of the range. So I did place my stop loss above here once we made this kind of a little bit of a move here. Put it right here, and so that was also about 1 point risk ish, 1.25. So again, minimizing my risk, and the price took off and hit my target profit. So probably the only good trade out of the whole entire day, and I decided to call it a day. Yeah, I am going to trade these accounts. I need to trade these accounts. Like I said before, I have I have 9 accounts between all the prop firms. Top Step, I am up $75 or $72. I'm not gonna talk about that. That's I'm trying something with the NQ there, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, overall, just not a good day. I'm basically, if I put everything together, I'm basically down around 350-ish, 300, something like that. So I do have a lot of work to do on the BluSky account. It's not cool. And yeah, I have a lot of work to do, so we'll see what happens. But I think the point of the day was, I think I need to have more trades like this. And that's what I need to do. I always keep saying this, like the 4-point tick doesn't work, but yet I keep still doing it, and it's really like hurting my account, honestly speaking. Even though I do think that 4-point or 4 tick scalps do work, but you have to be really good at, you know, reading price chart, and you have to be really good at, you know, execution, and of course the win rate. I think if you're doing the 4 tick scalp, the win rate is most important, because you cannot have a 30% win rate or 50% win rate and be in positive. It just simply, you cannot do that with scalping. It does not work. You gotta have at least 90-95% win rate, and I don't have that. I'm not gonna have that for a while, so need to learn how to hold the trades. Simply put, there's no way around it. There isn't. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. This was very eventful, and I'm tired. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.